Assalamualaikum, my name is Sharida binti Anas. My matrix number is 263840. I will start the presentation with the introduction. Okay, as you can see, nowadays trends such as digitalization, competition, a shorter product life cycle, and innovative manufacturing have a greater effect on a company's logistics and operations than in previous eras. Quality and logistics are two business management fields which are intended to penetrate and facilitate the growth of the productivity of the entire supply chain through their effects. When the business model is dynamic and any shift is due to consumer behavior, it becomes difficult to handle all this process without any IT structures. Therefore, technological advancement helps seamlessly promote this logistic process. Besides, the globalization of business and the manufacturing sector has made it imperative for administrators and risk managers to reassess how they treat the number of risks facing their organization. Thus, risk management in warehouse operation is very crucial, as warehouse work is dangerous work.
My name is Nur Sembilan Zipa. I'm going to explain about quality management system awareness. Okay, first, what is quality management system? QMS is defined as formula system that document procedures and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. Okay, what is quality awareness? Quality awareness is related to how often the industry or firm put an effort to apply an understanding in depth regarding the importance of QMS in managing a business. Quality awareness is a need to creating a certain state of knowledge environment in the company, and the objective is that all staff should participate together in quality activities by sharing knowledge and resources. So in order to create a quality awareness culture communication, is an instrument to promoting common values and business between workers and managers that help create a great streamlined process to perform their function. Next, training and education are also important to expose all members with quality process of proper knowledge that emphasize on training, coaching, and education for them to experiencing on how to carry out their own responsibilities in well manner. Okay, there are four importance of quality system management to customers. Okay, first, QMS are crucial as it ensure the quality of products and services for customers' needs. The quality is a measurement to differentiate an organization from its competitors, so the performance will be examined for the stakeholder to venture into the company or not. Okay, second, QMS is vital for customer satisfaction as it will lead to customer loyalty. A business cannot depend on a new customer all the time. Thus, it is best for the business to have some loyal customers that will surely repeat and give a positive feedback that attract new potential customer. Okay, third, QMS help an organization to design product customer actually want and desired. So customer feedback must be collected and monitored carefully because quality management will ensure high quality products and services. Okay, fourth, QMS will ensure the revenue and high productivity in organization. Okay, late paying salaries lead to the unproductive workers that demotivate to enjoy their work. So it is important to implement quality management to ensure high customer loyalty, increase cash flow, and satisfied employee.
Assalamualaikum, and my Hassan Syarif binti Hassan. My matric number is 265614. The importance of the continuous improvement in warehouse is it is more engaged employees that can address warehouse to have more efficiency work process, take the new training for the staff to bring the warehouse to the new level. Besides, it can lower employee turnover. As we know, the turnover are very expensive. The management of warehouse provide additional training so that they can utilize the job scope. Furthermore, more competitiveness product and services. It could lead to improvement. Next, enhance the management of warehouse to make the warehouse to be more sophisticated and more economically competitive. Lastly, it can be better customer service. Firstly, identifying what customer needs and understand what customer value to lead the minimize waste in the delivery process. Okay, next I will present about the steps in implementing warehouse quality management. There are four main steps in implementing quality management in the warehouse. First thing first, the warehouse should focus on customer. Secondly, total employee involvement in the warehouse. Thirdly, the systematic approach in the warehouse. And lastly, the communication between the interdepartment in the warehouse so that the warehouse should be smoothly running every day and it can achieve their goals.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aiman Farhan and my matric number is 263736. Now I would like to explain about the lean management. The definition of lean management is an organizational management methodology that embraces the idea of continuous improvement A long-term job approach that consistently aims to make incremental and progressive improvement to procedures in order to increase performance and quality. There are 5 things to implement lean management in warehouse. Firstly is sorting. We need to differentiate between the things we need in the warehouse and the things we don't. It is to eliminate items that are excessive and unnecessary. For example, excess inventory and broken pallets. Next is streamline. It is to improve warehouse productivity by arranging items. For example, applying the inventory tags and label to the inventory in order to save time when locating the goods. Next is shine. It is cleaning the warehouse area after the job are complete by maintaining a schedule. This will allow the detection of any flaws or damages. Next is standardize. Creating standard for all work area by using chart and poster so that easy for the workers to see and fewer to read. And lastly, sustain. Sustain is the continuous improvement in the warehouse activities. How to maintain is to inspire worker to consider improvement, to progress a new level and not return to the old levels. Okay, next is the Internet of Things and connection to warehouse operation. Firstly is end-to-end tracking system. Manager will be provided with status alerts from inbound to the outbound activity. Next is the vision picking. Smart glasses will help workers to select item quickly. It also can minimize the amount of papers. Thirdly is automation tasking. With the Internet of Things, it helps to simplify routine assignments and store manager will be able to reduce the order inaccuracies. And next is the data analytics. It is processing and analyzing the data in the warehouse and it also provides safety environment to the workers and the inventory. Lastly is the warehouse management system. It allows store manager to keep tracks all activities and also able to manage goods, workers' performance and also taxes.
Risk manager in warehouse is when activities require the use of warehouse. It is important to consider all related possible risks. Risk manager must minimize the chance of accident and reduce the seriousness of accident as they occur. It is important for risk manager to cooperate with general housekeeping, waste management and health and safety in order to manage risk in the warehouse. According to the study by German Insurance Association, more than one-third of all industrial and commercial where fire occur in warehouse. There are 5 stages to identify risk in the warehouse. First, identify hazard through inspection, internal and external of warehouse or check awareness of warehouse toward hazard in warehouse. Secondly, manager could know and clear who could be harmed as it will help on managing risk if get know the issue. Next, as done record result from risk assessment, manager could show result to the workers so they are aware of potential hazard in the warehouse. Last but not least, risk assessment need to be reviewed regularly. If necessary, where every month new product or material handling could be installed in order to prevent unexpected event happen from it. As for the current issue, this issue happened in August 2020 about explosion in Beirut port as dozens bag of firework was stored in the same hangar as thousands of ammonium nitrate that become factor in igniting the explosive chemical compound. Workers know about the outcome by putting together chemical with firework in warehouse 12, but because of the urgent of military, the worker have to put it as they know condition of warehouse, which is humidity would trigger some combination of chemical and lead to the explosion. Through this current issue, we got to identify how important for warehouse to have step or procedure on identify risk and find solution for it before the unexpected event happens, such Beirut explosion because of ignorance and forced by the third party that lead to death of people around the warehouse.
Trends and realities continually pressure warehouse managers in meeting the stresses to perform successfully and offer optimum quality of operation. Thus, investing in comprehensive warehouse management platform and associated technology is a must. In general, it can be concluded that the advantages of the implementation of quality control systems are primarily attributed to the sorting and incorporation of the most relevant fields of business and the focus on the leading role of the client in industry. Besides, with technological advancements, the warehousing industry will make substantial organizational changes, and it is crucial that efficiency benefits are shared. Lastly, Risk management through supply chain process and organizations has become an important necessity for organizations to succeed on a regional and global level. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.